AvPro is proud to present this Challenger 300, serial number 20249, an aircraft that boasts a large cabin with true coast-to-coast North American range, as well as short airfield takeoff and landing advantages, and exceptional performance even under hot and high-altitude conditions. Historically a bestseller for almost a decade, the Challenger 300 continues to reign supreme as the definitive super midsize business jet.
I'm Mariano Mar. I'm the chief pilot for Caribbean Halojets, and I've been in that position for over 18 years now. We bought it straight from the factory. It was spec'd as per the family's wishes. We're in the middle of both worlds. We fly both all over the U.S., South America, Central America, as well as to Europe. And this airplane has a perfect balance of range and speed for what we needed.
Serial number 20249 offers a Fireblocked 8-passenger interior featuring a double club configuration. The forward galley features an extended crew closet and granite veneer countertops.
It's been flown by a single crew since we bought it. Both engines are MSP Gold. The recent 96-month inspection was done on Bombardier Fort Lauderdale. We previously owned Challenger 300 serial number 88, now we own 249, and from the pilot's perspective, it's been a great airplane. Very reliable, excellent performance, short field performance is off the top.
Challenger 300, serial number 20249, presented exclusively by AvPro. AvPro, celebrating over 25 years of excellence.